Learn how to make seamless patterns the easy way using Infinite Painter's built-in pattern maker. And the best part is, it works on Android and Apple. To get Infinite Painter on Android or Apple, head to your App Store or Play Store, search, type in Infinite Painter. Then it will have a red square with a paintbrush on it. That's its logo. And then you're going to want to install that or get it. And then after it's finished, open the app, and this is what you'll be welcomed with. This is the home screen, and you can see all your files there. And also, if you go over to this tab, you can find the reference manual. And so here is your dashboard. You can make patterns such as this. This is my Pavlova pattern, which I have turned into a table runner. And then also, I have my lemon and lime Twitter pattern. Here you go. And I've turned that into a mug. So there's so many things that you can do with surface pattern design, and it can have so many applications. Now here I want you to pay attention to this pattern maker. When you click on it, it'll open up a new canvas. You'll see the canvas here. You click on here to change the size. You can change the color of the background as well here, but we'll just leave that white for now. And we'll go to the size. So by default, it's on pixels, and you can't see the DPI, which is important. So here you can see the DPI when you go to the other measurements, so centimeters or millimeters or inches. So this, if you click on that, it makes sure that the aspect ratio is the same. It stays square. So even if you change the top, the bottom will change as well. And here's the DPI. We'll change that to 300. And you can see how many layers you can have with it. Click done. And then if you change to millimeter or inches, you'll see the DPI, but pixels, it's not there. So it's important that you set an actual measurement for you to be able to change the DPI. Now let's create. So here is the pattern maker in all its glory. So this is the color wheel. You can see here, I'll put it a bit closer for you. So this is the last color that you've used, and then that's the recent one. And this one is the eyedropper tool, which lets you choose a color from your canvas. This is the color wheel, and you can drag it around and change the color that way, and this as well. And this is the color palette. It's on basic. This one's got the more defined settings. It's the hex code, the RGB settings, CMY settings, and this button here is for the palettes, the color palettes, and you can add a color palette, a custom one if you like. This one, I don't know what it's called, but it's a ball of color, and it changes when you drag things around. I don't use that at all. So let's just choose this pink one. So this is the brush tool, and you can see all the different brushes that it comes with. And these are the pens. This is the brush settings, so it's got lots of controls over here. Smudge tool and the eraser tool. And here you can control the size of your brush. You can make it skinny or thick. And then this one is the opacity, how see-through your brush or your line is going to be. So let's go back to the brush tool to start drawing. And then if this can focus, here we go, we'll just make some squiggles, just pink squiggles. I'm just using my fingers, by the way. And see, it repeats the pattern for you. There's no more diamond something or other doing. And yeah, it just does it for you. Now let's choose a contrasting color here, or pick a green one. Yeah, that looks cute. Yeah. And see how easy it is to make the patterns, and you can just visualize it. It's so amazing. That's why I love using this app. It works on Android and Apple. And with your fingers, it's so easy to make amazing patterns. If you want to learn more, I'll be uploading a new video every week.